It's time. I'm getting the van loaded and supplies ready, and I'm gonna get things together and head out for a few days. I'm getting a late start. I was planning on leaving Sunday, and I had a couple of things that I needed to take care of, so that puts me into tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Because the weather is so nice, I feel like I need to do something. But at the same time, I don't want to go too far, since it's really my first time out with all the systems running. You know, I drove the van to the cabin and I drove it to Laughlin, but I haven't actually really used it. So everything is functional and I put propane in it, everything is working, and all of my upgrades are more or less finished. So, but I don't want to go too far from home, and to be completely honest, I'm not totally comfortable with interstate travel yet. I know that being in the RV, I'm isolated anyway, but you know, I think that at least for this time, I'm just going to stay local to Arizona, and then I'll come back. We've got Valentine's Day to deal with. I'll see my daughter, and then assuming that the weather is nice, maybe take off again after that. Plus, you know, we'll see how things go in the van this time around. But it's you know, it's interesting too, as I'm getting things together this morning and you know, selecting what I'm going to take with me, and I've been experiencing this anxiety. And it occurs to me that this is really the first time that I've gone out like this since before everything, since before my cancer. And you know, I sold the house and got ready to travel, and then found out about that, and then had surgery and chemo, and then just as I finished that, we got locked down. So it's really been a year and a half, more than that now, that I've really just kind of stayed at home, whether it was here in the valley or up at the cabin. I haven't really been out doing anything, and so I've been experiencing some anxiety around that. And it occurred to me this morning as I was getting myself ready that it's that kind of thing that has held me back all along. Worrying that something might go wrong, or that somebody might need me. You know, before it was work related and family related, and then I had my own issues, and you know, I left my job in July of 2017, but I spent 10 years there really just making sure that everybody else was taken care of. And so being in a position where I'm making those decisions for myself and doing what I want to do, I haven't had a whole lot of practice, because more than half of the time I've been away from work, I've been stuck at home anyway. So it's been an interesting process, but I think that I've got it, and I have to talk myself into getting this done. And I think once I get a trip or two under my belt, I'll feel more comfortable. But you know, it's something that makes me nervous and yet excited all at the same time. So I'm just going to push forward, get things packed up and ready, and then I won't have any excuses. Anyway, enough of that. I'm going to get myself together, make a run over to the RV today to load it up. I have a conference call in a little while, so I've got to kind of stick around for that, but get everything ready. And then coming up will be a final tour of the van, everything that I've done to it, and I think that I'll do a more comprehensive tour, and I'll go area by area and actually show the amenities and the features and things like that. So, hoping to find a nice quiet place to do that when I get out. So stay tuned for that, and as always, you know, if you have any questions or comments about what I'm up to and why I'm doing it, leave them in the space below. And until I see you again here tomorrow, maybe? We'll see. Anyway, have a great day.